Hey guys, welcome back to another Swift tutorial, iOS development tutorial. And in this tutorial I'm going to be talking about tags and what they are and why they're actually very useful. So tags are basically things which you attach to views or just anything in general, and they're a way of differentiating between things. So probably the best example I can give for this is in a table view. So let's just say we bring out the table view here, give it some constraints, and I'll just set up the table view as usual. So that is not what I wanted. I want the assistant, and if we just make this table view, and now that we've done that, we will just create an extension view controller, and I'm just going to create a table view quickly so I can show you guys how tabs are and how they're useful. This is probably the best one. So UI table view data source, then we'll set the delegates and data source to cell. And here we will return. Let's also make a array, so this can just be a bunch of numbers, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now that we've done that, we'll return count. Oh, this is the wrong one. Number of rows in section, and we'll return that. And let's just quickly create a cell. And cell.text is equal to array index path.row turn cell. Okay, and that is our table view. So now I'm going to show you guys how tags can come in. So let's just say this, and okay, now tags are a way of differentiating between objects. So what we can do is assign each one of these table cells an individual tag, and to do that, what we can actually do is we just go here and we can set this cell.tag to the index path, and the tag is just an int, but now you'll see if we select one, so if we select a cell, and you'll see we have the index path. Wait, that's not, oh no, what I wanted to do is I want to create a custom cell. So if I create a new touch class, and we just call this UI table view cell, like this, and we'll just call it custom cell. Now I'm not actually going to edit anything, but what I can do is actually I can. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag in a button like this, and I'm just going to center it in the middle just so I can use it, and we'll set this cell to the custom cell like that. And now when this button is clicked, oh, why is it a UI view? Oh, okay. I want to link up the button. Sorry for the inconvenience. Button click like that. Okay. So normally, when you have a button clicked, you wouldn't be able to differentiate between which cell it was. So if I just print, and I don't know which cell is clicked. So this could be a problem if you're trying to handle what happens inside of it. So we don't know which one has been clicked. Now this would usually be a problem, but since we've assigned each cell to have a tag, we can actually use that tag. So now we can say the cell that was clicked was, and then we can get the if we go to this array, if we just make this a global array like that, and now we can do array self, since we assigned this thing to the cell, so we could just use self.tag. And now, oh, what has happened here? Oh, we have to add it in like this. So like that, and now you can see that we can actually access which one has been clicked. So when I click this, the cell that was clicked was 2. Now it might look just like the index path, but if I change around this array, so if I make it like 2 there, 0 there, 5 there, 4 there, and 1 there. So now you can see it's not in order, so the index path is going to be different to the actual thing, but the tag is, oh, we've set the tag to the index path. So instead of that, what we can actually do is we can just do, we can change these numbers into an int, and if we just do, oh no, sorry, I'm getting confused. Okay, so if we just leave it like that, then you can see when we click this, the cell that was clicked was 2. Usually you wouldn't be able to access that information, but since we have the tag, we can access it, which allows us to handle what happens inside the cell itself rather than the view controller. So yeah, this is how tags work. You use them to differentiate between objects, mainly cells. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in a future tutorial. Bye.